So now in this video, we are going to learn about exception handling in Python. So what is exception handling? So what is an exception? So exception is an error. Whenever we write code, we get some errors. Like let me say A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 3. And let's say A plus B. I want to print this A plus B. So now here I am getting an error, can only concatenate string, not integer to string. So it can only Python can only concatenate string to string, not integer to string, and it is giving us a type error. So whenever we work with big projects, so when we work in some big projects, if we get this type of error, we will stuck. If we deploy our project, uh, we will be stuck in our project because if we get error, the our program will not be going to be executed. Like if we say we are having an error at the position at the line 3, and everything is fine with the line 4, but still we are not getting the output of line 4. So how can we get the output, uh, not the error? If we have error, just ignore the error and do the computations after the error. So we are having error at line 3, so just ignore the line 3 and do the computations after the line 3. So here we will use try catch block for exception handling. So as we did our example here, so let's say how can we define, how can we write try catch block? Just use try. So here we will use try, and we have to give indentation. So here this is our try block, and we will use try except block, because in Python it is not try catch block, it is try except block. So we are having try, and for writing exception, so we are using except. So let's say we are having an exception and print we got an exception. So now, and let's say we are having this, and now we will say print. So if this print 4 will come here. So this is how we can work with our exception handling. So here we are saying try this block. So Python will try to execute this block. If this block will execute properly, Python will give the error. So just remove 4 from here. So Python will try to execute this block. So if it will give you an error, Python will just say this we got an exception, and will print the this print 4 here. So let's run this. So here it is saying that we got an exception. So Python is getting an exception in this. So this will print we got an exception, and we are printing 4. So how can we know that which type of exception is this? So we are having exception. So let's say except, and we need to write except exception. So this is a keyword for exception as E. So alias, we are renaming this exception because it is too lengthy to write. So we are writing just E. So we got an exception and we need to write here E. So now we will know that what is exception we are having. So now we are having, we got an exception. So exception is we can only, so just remove this, and now we will get the exception can only concatenate string, not integer to string. So this type of error we are having. So this is how we can know which type of error we are having in our code. So this is how we can work with exceptions. So if we are writing the code like this. So let's say uh, we know that our error is type error. So if we are having a type error, and let's say mm, we are having input from the user. Now we are having input from the user, and then we are converting this to integer. So let's say in the second line we are having the same input. Now user will give you an input. So if you uh, type a string, then it will give you what. Then let's try what which type of error we will get. So let's run this. So enter number, we are passing string. So invalid literal for string, invalid literal for integer with base 10a. So it is saying we cannot convert a string that is a literal, that is invalid literal with base 10, which is not a number, which is not a number. So here it is a alphabet, so it cannot uh, convert it into an integer number. So let's say we are having a value error. So we will use try, and so we will give indentation, and let's say we are having accept. Now we know that we are having value error. So now we can say a user to, hey user, please enter a valid number. So now run this code. Now if we type a, so it will say, hey user, please enter a valid number. So let's run again, and if we type 12, so working fine, 23 working fine, and giving output as the sum of these two numbers. So now I hope you understand what is the concept of exception handling. How can we accept uh, errors in Python? Thank you.